Right, so let's finish the like a hard part because like this animation is not like facing you, but rather like move away from you. I always find this kind of thinking a little bit difficult than the normal one. So yeah, let's get to it. So what I'm going to do is to first add a frame and duplicate this, and I'm going to name this run 5. Right, so hide this run 5. Yeah, I think I have to like rearrange that. It doesn't really matter. Right now, let's just get the 5. So I can use the run 4 as an example, or I can simply like rewrite it, redraw it. Sorry, because if you look at here, okay, so she's like using this is like her left leg. Okay, so let's just focus on this leg. Okay, this leg move forward. Okay, touch the floor, move backwards. So this leg should like go backwards. So like a push, jump backwards, and this leg should like go to the front. So there will be like a drastic changes. So it's like a hopping, like doing like a really fast leg changing. So what I'm going to do here is to use the run before, but we're going to make major changes. So it's like a changing, like change her leg left and right. So let's just use the pencil, use the lasso tool. So this will be at the front and this will be at the back. So I'm thinking of a way of doing this without making too much of the hassle. Okay, this one I'm going to move the whole part to here. Yeah, that's really hard for me to get. Let's just I'm going to do something crazy. Get here, deselect L, just to get rid of both of her leg. Okay, move this. I'm going to like rotate this. Okay, it's just a bunch of pixels. I think I might as well like do it myself and yeah, maybe just do it myself. Deselect, select. I'm going to bend her leg a little bit. Okay. Something like this. Okay, it will get like a little bit pixelated. Okay, doesn't really matter. I can always like change it later. Remove this one. Okay, and maybe just push her leg like a little bit inside, so some like more drastic movement. Her dress, but she's like a jumping again, so it'll be something like this. Feel what's inside. Okay, and this would definitely like cover this leg. I think I might as well just draw it myself. Okay, thinks her leg is like the black area, and I don't know why, because the algorithms are like really strange. It just become blue, so it's not technically not what I want, but I can like draw over this layer. So eraser, just get rid of this, make her like a slimmer, and use the dark color. I think maybe I got these swatches like a really dark color here, because that's what I'm talking about. Like her boots should be black, and then things like she's moving, jumping up, so the dress will go something like this, a little bit hint of what's inside. Okay, maybe a little bit other color, just to make it more varied, not like really like a monotone color. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. And if you look at the previous one, something like this, okay, then previous one is arm, like this is her left arm, move forward, and then the right arm should like move forward. So I'm using a little bit of the dark color here, so a hint of her left arm, okay, and this should like move like really forward. Okay, so okay, I'm going to just use what we already did by make her, you know, here, and using a little bit dark color here. Just make her handle like a curve a little bit. And this I should like go back maybe. I'm going to push the sword up so I can show the arm a little bit better. Darker, get the shadowy part ready. Okay, and maybe a little bit different shade of shadow, just to make things like interesting, not so boring. Yeah, and maybe a little bit darker. I don't want to like restrict every color. Her fist. Okay, and oh, her waist is like completely gone. Okay, her going up, going down, rotate a little bit, and going up. Okay. This obviously needs a lot of erasing. Okay, and her belt is kind of gone. So I'm going to move like up, just tiny little bit hint. Okay, and push this up a tiny bit. Okay, and her hair, I think I forgot about her hair. Like a really drastic movement, oh my gosh. Erase this part, too big. Going up, down, 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 and then up. Yeah, sorry about her hair and here. All about this should like go up, like way up. So select, okay, maybe move forward and up, maybe upper. Okay, good. Then the bluish area, I fill the blank, and the chest area here, and erasing this part because I want her hair to go down. And maybe I need a little bit blue to feel right here. Okay, maybe that's about it. And the light should like go down. This should like go down and it's gone. Then this area should like go maybe here. Then the like dark blue will be redrawn like this outside. Maybe erase a little bit. Dark. Yeah, good. And I think it just got like a really musty color here, so that's the place where I'm going to modify because it's kind of like average it out. But that's not what I want. Just feel the blank. Okay, I'm going to test whether it's a little bit transparent. Yeah, transparent. Feel the transparency. That's the reason why I feel like a little bit weird, because you know I want her hair to like move more naturally. Okay, maybe this is the way to go. Okay, let me just like here. 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we got like a jumping thing here. Let me just zoom it out and see the result. A little bit jerky, but yeah, because we haven't like go back to this original position yet, because it's still one frame lag, so the loop is not completed, but I can see the result. I can already see the result. Okay, yeah, see you next video. Bye.